Hello friends, welcome to my channel Joel and James Academy. Myself Amit Joel and I will summarize the entire book of Next Level Thinking that is authorized by one of my favorite author Joel Austin. I must say this is a wonderful book to lift you up whether you are in a chained or in a bondage or in a depressed from very long. This book might change your life if you read this book or understand this book essence. So one by one we will discuss its chapter. Its book comprises of 10 chapter. So be with us and tuned. Thank you so much. So very first we will start with our first chapter that is called Be a Barrier Breaker. What does a barrier means? A barrier can be anything which hinders our subconscious in believing in our limitations. And our entire limitation is set by our environment. I repeat once again. A barrier can be anything which hinders our subconscious in believing in our limitations. And how the limitation is generated by the environment in which we are only born. So how you believe, how you grow up, it all develops in our environment. And if the environment is negative or pessimist, then you automatically think limitations as a part of our daily life. We will inherit that limitations is on. So there is one good example, huh? Let's see the example of an oak tree. You will realize it. It's a wonderful example of an oak tree. You must read it. As the screen plays on, you must see and try to observe it. Yeah, that oak tree will never grow up to its potential because it is in an environment. So many at times what's happen, we can't reach to our potential. So with God's grace, it's a tree, and we are the human beings. We are the human beings, God perfect and the most precious creature in this universe. We can change, we can adapt, we can think up to the next level and next level. What does the next level mean? The next level that anything that propels you to think larger scale, to go beyond your limitations. Yeah, sorry, but the true fact that one fourth of the entire population is chained or in a bondage by their own environment. They think that if their environment is fixed, their limitations is genuine. They are thinking their adaptation is directly proportional to their environment. But this book tells upon that we are human beings, the God's most precious creature. So we can think next level. We can think beyond. This can be so, and this can be rectified on the belief that next level. Yes, because why I am saying this? Because here is the key, and I must say this is the key that one should follow on a daily basis. Yeah, because you should have noted that you are a barrier breaker. You have the potential to break every barrier with the power, the favor, the talent, and the ability to break out and go further. Many a times, these are the important facts people forgotten, and till their lifetime they forgot. But you have to keep telling yourself the positive words again and again. I know this sounds ridiculous, but this is the only key, the next level thinking. So many people become conditioned or adapted to their own environment, and they just died. So this book is all about to change this thinking level and change to the next level. I repeat, next level thinking, not proportional to your environment, because you are the most precious creature of the God, most precious. The scripture of the Holy Book says that you are the apple of my eyes. The God says you are the apple of my eyes. So you can think how precious you are in the sight of God. So many times we forget that. Now the topic of the book describes one of the most important topic. Take the limitations off. Okay. So there also we will provide one of the good example. Some fleas are kept in a container and the top of it was covered with a lid. And immediately the fleas tried very hard to come out of it, but as the lid was on the top, they tried every time and fall back. And the same thing and the same exercise did. Just like the fleas, we also stopped trying and believed somewhere in our subconscious mind that it's our fate, nothing will change, it's my future, or anything. But in this book, the book tells you that we should try once again. Yeah, this is the key, that we should try once again. Yes, God created you to rise higher. God never judged you to be an average or a mediocre. He raised up to a higher position. And of course, this line just touched my heart. That good news is that people don't determine your destiny. Many times people labeled you or judges you that you are not worth. But people don't determine your destiny. God does. This is the essence of this book. So you should feel privileged and honored that God is the creator of your destiny. And God never judge or label you according to your environment. That's the key. And what people decide you, God doesn't. Actually, God has destined you to rise higher. He is destined you to go to the next level. So that's all for today's chapter. We will continue its next chapter in my next video. So I hope you guys like this video. Kindly support us and like and share this video as much as you can. So finally, God bless you all, and stay tuned for my next video. So thank you very much.